Careful. Yeah, it's cold, isn't it? Cold. Are you gonna brush your teeth? Brush your teeth, Veda. That's a girl. Brush your teeth. No more playing. Good girl. Brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Come on, brush. That's not good. Oops. You have to move this because you have to focus on toothbrushing. Brush your teeth. She stopped letting me brush her teeth, so we have a very long process a couple times a day of her playing. Brush your teeth. Brush, 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 brush your teeth. What are you doing? No, that's hot water. We like the other side because you only play with the cold water. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. What a waste of water. Brush your teeth. Brush. Brush your teeth. Veda, let's brush. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Ha ha ha. Okay, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Alright, I have to focus and make her brush her teeth. Yes, we do it together. It's teamwork. Teamwork.
Mom.
Yeah?
Mom.
Yes? No, not that one. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot, yes. It's hot, yes. Who's that in the mirror? Is that Veda Potato making a mess of my mirror? Yeah. Boo! Okay.